Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Amanda Turner and I am a real estate agent in Lake Chapala, Mexico. I got my new Mazamitla sweater on today. Mom was in town, so we took her over there. If you're not familiar with Mazamitla, it is like a small Swiss village up in the mountains. There's pine trees, deer, cabins, four-wheelers, horses. It's a really cool town, and the plaza of Mazamitla is one of the most beautiful I've seen in all of Mexico, with a super good Italian restaurant that just opened up in their plaza about a year ago. So if you get the chance to head over there, you definitely should. It's only about an hour and a half to 2-hour drive from here. Okay, so today we're looking at 3 homes in the price range of $380,000 US dollars to $550,000 US dollars. Super random numbers, I know, but that's how the cookie crumbles. You know what I'm saying? The first home we're looking at is located in Riberas, and it is a very well cared for house. We're gonna jump right into this thing, okay? First home on our tour today is listed at $397,500 US dollars. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom on 1 floor. Construction size is 285 square meters or 3,071 square feet. The lot size is 348 square meters or 3,746 square feet. There is no HOA, it comes furnished, and it's located in Riberas del Pilar. First home on our tour is this one right here, this beautiful baby right here. Okay, we're gonna zoom out. You're gonna notice that we are in Riberas right here. Hey, look, here's a gas station right there. Let me zoom in just a touch. This is the main highway that will lead you either all the way over to Chapala, or all the way over to San Antonio, or all the way over to Ajijic. Here's our bed and breakfast right here, which is just a couple blocks from the Ajijic Plaza. Okay, let's take a look at what's directly near this house. You have a few restaurants to choose from. Gato Cafe is a good one. You have a clinic here, which is actually where you can get testing done. Let's say your doctor orders some tests and you need to get them done. You can get them done here. Very good price on those as well. You know, we're in Mexico, that happens. This is a body shop, so if you need some work done on your car, that's right there. What else we got here? You've got the Bravo Theater here too. They've got some good shows there. You've also got the Gourmet Garage here that you can shop at, and Ponchos is right here. So from this house to Ponchos, you could essentially walk there, maybe like a 10-minute or less walk, or just drive over there. It'd take you like 2 minutes. For hospitals, you would use San Antonio Hospital, which is located right here. And then you've also got some dental here as well. If you're a golfer, you've got the Chula Vista Country Club right here. Nice 9-hole course going on. Alrighty guys, second home on our tour today is also located in Riberas on a very beautiful street lined with nice trees. And the house has some really unique decor, a lot of it from China, but the layout of the house is really cool also. So let's go check it out. Second home on our tour today is listed at $479,500 US. It is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom. Everything is on one floor. Construction size is 415 square meters or 4,467 square feet. Your lot size is 487 square meters or 5,242 square feet. There is not an HOA. It comes partially furnished and it is located in Riberas del Pilar. Here's the second home on our tour. Nice big old house. Okay, we're gonna zoom out a little bit. You'll notice that we're on the lake side of the highway, whereas the house that we were at earlier was on the mountainside. So just to give you a little example of that. So pretty much everything that applied to the house previous applies to this one as well. You've got the San Antonio Hospital here. They have ambulances, so if you have an emergency, you can call them. They'll send an ambulance over. Garden Center, Gato Feo Cafe is a good cafe. Huerto Cafe, it's good food. Your golf course and all of that. All the same applies. Okay, third home on our tour today is located in Upper Ajijic, which basically just means it's on the north side of the carretera. It's the highway that divides Ajijic from lower and upper, or you could even call Upper Ajijic mountainside and lower Ajijic lakeside. This house is like a traditional Mexican home. You can tell most obviously in the decor of the house. Also, another reason that I call this like a traditional Mexican home is that the kitchen is separate from all the other rooms, meaning that it can kind of be closed off. So back in the day when kitchen employees were more common, anytime the resident owners would have guests over, the kitchen was separate so that the kitchen staff could prep meals and serve them to the estate owners and their guests without being seen or heard, which is actually a really cool little part of history. Let's go see it. third and final home on our tour today is listed at $548,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2 floors in total. Your construction size is 469 square meters or 5,048 square feet. The lot size is 1,108 square meters or 11,926 square feet. There's not an HOA, and it comes with an optional furniture package, meaning that you can purchase the furniture in the home for a separate fee than the actual cost of the purchase of the home. And it's located in Upper Ajijic. Okay, here's the third home on our tour right here. The cool thing about this house is it's got this drive here where you can park cars and things like that, but it's got its own private driveway with nice lighted lamps through here. It's very pretty. If we zoom out, house is right here. Here's the private drive. You'll see it's on the mountainside, Upper Ajijic. Here is the main highway right here. What is near you? So you can take this private drive all the way down, and this is actually Colón, the street of Colón, which you can cross over into the lakeside of Centro Ajijic. And the center is right here. All of this. Here's the church, everything. So, I mean, if you wanted to walk down, you totally could. You could drive down. And then, of course, you've got like some shopping all down Colón, shopping, restaurants. And this street will take you all the way to the lake. And here's the Malecón. Let's say we wanted to drive from this house to Riberas. That would take you about 12 minutes. So just to give you an idea of the previous 2 homes, how long it would take you to drive to Ajijic Centro would be about 10 to 12 minutes. And if you wanted to drive from that house to Guadalajara Thursday at 9 p.m., it'd take you about an hour and 10 minutes.
Alrighty guys, that's it for me and this video. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you're looking to buy or sell your home in Lake Chapala, please contact me at amanda@lakechapalarealty.com. If you'd like to check out our bed and breakfast and our cafe where we roast organic coffee from Nayarit, Mexico, or if you'd like to check out the MLS and browse homes at your leisure, you can visit my website at therealamandaturner.com. Speaking of our businesses, we have been nominated once again for Best Bed and Breakfast and Best Coffee in Best of Lake Chapala for 2023. And it would be a huge help if you guys voted for us on the website. Just visit bestoflakechapala.com, register with your email address, then log in. You'll find us under travel and lodging and dining in restaurants. And thank you all in advance for voting for us. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment because I love talking to you guys. And I'll see you next week. Bye.